Arnett Moultrie admitted he can turn his game up a notch in the hope of leading NLEX out of its losing streak early in the PBA Commissioner's Cup. In his second game since finally coming over after being held up by his last team in Bahrain, the Road Warriors import registered 25 points on 12 of 25 shooting, 17 caroms, 5 assists, 4 steals, and 2 blocks in almost 43 minutes in a 106-90 loss to Meralco. For all his impressive numbers, Moultrie has yet to flash the outside shooting that coach Yang Yao requires from his big men and which former import Adrian Forbes lacked. Without going into detail, Moultrie feels he can show a better performance to help the Road Warriors grab that elusive win. "I made a few shots, I missed a lot of shots. Right now, I don't think I'm playing as well as I can," the former NBA player admitted. "I think I can play and take it up into another level, but just getting in the gym, work on my game, and get ready for the next game." The Road Warriors' performance as a unit has also left much to be desired after playing their third game in a span of a week. "It was kind of rough out there," Moultrie said. "We started the game a little sluggish, we kind of made a strong push at the beginning of the second half, but it wasn't enough. But right now, we're fighting for our basketball lives and just try to take it one game at a time and try to get this first win in this season," he added.